The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a guide to personal finance and investing, popular among the FIRE movement. Originally letters to his daughter, it emphasizes a minimalist approach to wealth building. The book simplifies financial concepts into core principles: FU money for financial independence, avoiding debt, investing in low-cost index funds, and maintaining a long-term market perspective. Collins introduces FU money as wealth for freedom, not luxury. It's the amount that lets you leave any job or situation that doesn't serve you, emphasizing control over your life. Debt is seen as the enemy, except for carefully managed mortgages. Collins advises avoiding debt to protect future earnings and freedom, and to aggressively pay off existing debt. Investing in low-cost, broad market index funds like DPSX is key. Collins advises against stock picking, advocating for consistent investment in index funds for long-term gains. Collins stresses that the market eventually goes up, urging a long-term view. He advises staying invested through market volatility, ignoring short-term noise, and continuing to buy. Maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts is crucial. Collins highlights the benefits of tax-deferred or tax-free growth for accelerating wealth accumulation. Simplicity is central to the book's philosophy. Collins argues that complexity leads to higher fees and stress, advocating for a straightforward, repeatable financial plan. Collins warns against financial gurus and get-rich-quick schemes, emphasizing that genuine wealth building is a slow, steady process, not a sprint. The principle of spending less than you earn and investing the difference is reinforced. The gap between income and expenses allows for investment and wealth building. The Simple Path to Wealth is valued for its clarity and actionable advice, offering a minimalist approach to investing and financial planning. The book prioritizes long-term consistency, low costs, and emotional discipline, making it impactful for those overwhelmed by financial decisions.